In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a record in Cloudflare. Adding DNS records is an essential task when managing your website, whether you're setting up email, pointing your domain to a hosting provider, or configuring other services. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident navigating the Cloudflare dashboard and adding DNS records with ease. Let's dive in and get started. The first step is to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Head over to the Cloudflare website and enter your account credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by your account dashboard, which lists all the domains you've connected to Cloudflare. If you're new to Cloudflare, make sure your domain has already been added to your account before proceeding. Next, select the domain for which you want to add a record. Simply click on the domain name from the list. This will take you to the domain-specific settings page, where you can manage all aspects of that domain. Now, you'll need to navigate to the DNS tab. You can find this option in the top menu bar. Clicking on it will open the DNS management section, where you can view and modify all existing DNS records associated with your domain. Once you're in the DNS tab, look for the Add Record button. It's usually located toward the top right of the page. Click on this button to start the process of adding a new DNS record. The next step is to choose the type of DNS record you want to add. Cloudflare supports a variety of record types, such as A, cname, TXT, and MX. The type you choose depends on the purpose of the record. For instance, an A record is used to point your domain to an IP address, while a cname record redirects one domain name to another. Select the appropriate record type from the drop-down menu. Now you'll need to fill in the name field. This specifies the subdomain or hostname for the record. For example, you might enter www if the record applies to your www subdomain, mail if it's for email, or simply @ if it's for the root domain. Next, in the content field, enter the value required for the record. The content varies depending on the type of record you're adding. For an A record, this would be the IP address you're pointing to. For a cname record, it would be the target domain. Be sure to input the correct value as provided by your hosting provider, email service, or other relevant source. At this point, you'll also set the TTL or time to live value. TTL determines how long the record's information is cached by DNS servers. In most cases, you can leave this set to auto, which allows Cloudflare to manage it automatically. However, if you have specific instructions to set a custom TTL, you can adjust it here. You'll then need to select the proxy status for the record. This determines whether Cloudflare's services, like caching and security features, will apply to the record. Selecting proxied enables these features, while choosing DNS only bypasses Cloudflare and sends traffic directly to the destination. Once all the fields are completed, click the Save or Add Record button. This finalizes the process and saves the new DNS record to your domain's configuration. Finally, verify that the new record has been added successfully. You should see it listed in the DNS record section, along with all the other records for your domain. Double-check that the details are correct to avoid any issues. And that's it. You've successfully added a DNS record to your domain in Cloudflare. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.